Clickbank is one of the granddaddies of digital product affiliate marketing. Whether you are selling books, software, graphics, packages, or anything else that could be downloaded, Clickbank paved the way for affiliate marketing in that space. In fact, throughout the years, Clickbank has spawned a large number of competitors, but nothing can beat the original. Make no mistake, if you want a niche site or have access to niche traffic, Clickbank is a good source of great selling books, software, or other digital products that can instantly be downloaded. Clickbank throughout the years has built a solid reputation as an affiliate marketing platform. It has a very robust tracking system. It also has a wide range of products. This is its biggest attraction. While there are specialized affiliate marketing programs like Market Health, if you are looking for an affiliate program that offers digital products across a wide range of niches, you can't go wrong with Clickbank. It is a tried and proven platform that's been used by thousands upon thousands of affiliates throughout the years. This training teaches you how to market Clickbank products the right way. I'm not going to teach you basic affiliate marketing, nor am I going to tell you how Clickbank works. Instead, I'm going to teach you how to market affiliate products from Clickbank the right way. Believe it or not, most Clickbank affiliates struggle. They really do. In many cases, they cut their teeth on Clickbank before achieving success with other programs. The reason too many people struggle with Clickbank is because they do not know how to market products the right way. While the fact that most Clickbank affiliates struggle is unavoidable, this training teaches you not to be one of them. Clickbank marketing can lead to success. You can make a tremendous amount of money using Clickbank marketing. However, you have to have a system. Not only do you have to have the right niche selection process, you also have to have the right system when it comes to generating content. Not any old piece of content will do. Just because you think a piece of content is hot, it doesn't automatically mean that your target audience members will share your opinion. You have to do this the right way. You have to build a system. Follow the tips that I have outlined in this training and fine-tune them to fit your particular set of circumstances. With enough attention to detail and enough effort, you will be able to create a system that will enable you to make money off Clickbank marketing.
That's it for this video today, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification, so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you the best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.